Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a video gallery in WordPress websites using Google Drive documents. Here you can see I have uploaded some videos here. Now I want to create a video gallery from these videos. So now let me go in website dashboard and install a new plugin. Here you can search for Google Drive and you will get different plugins. You can check one by one. So I will recommend you use this one. Click on install button and then activate. So first step is you need to connect your Google Drive account. I already connected. Okay. After that, now let's go to file browser. And here you can see these are all the files. So these are some video files. Then click on module builder. Now let's add a new module, and here you can see this one. You can display image gallery as well as video gallery. So I want to display some videos. Scroll down and select these video files. Then click on save changes. So now let's click on embed and copy this shortcode. Scroll up and create a new page. So let's give a name video gallery. And then scroll down, add the shortcode here. Then click on publish button. So now let's view this page on the front side. Now here you can see it's working fine. You can go and click on any video to play any of the videos.